Maya Angelou could see, the more that they show, the more you believe. It doesn't take a higher degree to perceive, don't be deceived, look up at the marquee. But oh, say, can you see all the bodies in the sea? Now you see why the cage bird sings. It's a requiem for the best of them. Better count your cheese, not cheddar, but American dreams are not for free. The price is steep, that's the price of greed. I'm just trying to eat rice and beans on the count of three. Better take a leap. These wolves will take your sheep, and Louis V, no one to lead. So I'm peeved at these weak MCs like B.I.G. Even Smalls can see how their wrong brown stripes could be. So it's time to part them autumn leaves, better catch the breeze. But Umi said, shine your light, then they will see we succeed despite. Don't let the shade like a candlelight, but these hands are free, catch a silver right, a darker night to save those who paid the price. Getting to the order of the day, to the USA, you are not okay. Call up Fannie Mae, cause you need to pay, not a giveaway, but to reparate. It really should have happened yesterday, Independence Day, not a holiday, need a holy day, so that you can pray that the black and brown doesn't catch a case. Gotta get it any kind of way. Send the shivers down your vertebrae, check the NCAA, see you will be amazed. No delay, just faith. Fate, don't make us wait. How can I convey? Check the resume. I can show the way, be my protege. I go a mile a minute. The lives are dark, so don't drink Guinness for pouring out for those who's no longer with us. But I'll take it further, as golden delight of cold steel can murder. By the way that I write, I put pins to verdicts. You fake? As third good, or Katanji B, as Francis Baker or Shirley C. We never should have left them get to Angela D. That'll make it say like Master P, but I'm Master C. The Fresh Prince, I need a Master G. That's short for Jeffrey. I'm just trying to find a good band that can help me. Cause we got to grow. Classical needs a little more tropical. Audio, catch the meter flow. Getting cold to a degree, 23 below. Jay's is cold, need a cameo. Too smart for y'all embryos. Got a nose like Cyrano. Smell the rose, it's apropos. Too small, but because the world built walls too tall. In the shadows where your deeds are louder than the words you speak, but your words don't speak for us. We can be loud all by ourselves. A utopia that doesn't exist, for integrating into a burning house is like reaching into a jar with a closed fist. But we are joined at the hip, hatred wrapped in guilt with bows upon backs that wilt. How long will you walk 7 steps at a tilt? But our light rises over the horizon and it can't be put out, at least not until the dolphin flies and parrots live at sea. For you see, Stevie Wonder could always see. Maya Angelou could always sing. Even before she could speak. Her falsetto leads us all. So should you fall, a chorus of millions will rise and shine. Shine to uplift the shadows. a projection. No reflections, but I'm flexing. I can change a world with a nod of my Stetson. Second, go off the stones like I'm a Jetson. At light speed, I will exceed the exception. In your mind, living rent-free like Inception. In your dreams, no recollection. The affection is oppression, but the strategies are a slight. No, I'm right. So I gotta say it twice. Never focus on what might have been. This might have been decomposed, moral code, Lord knows. Immigration is really good for the soul. But I'm illustrating the revolution of prose. So joining us to truth, Lang Hughes, John Lewis. Isn't it so lovely I compose the shadows? That way I can musically expose and oppose these foes. Baby transpose these overtones, standing 12 toes down on the road. No, you can never have fruit without a tree. You must first be the heart place. Real. People forget what you said, people forget what you did, but they remember how you made them feel. That's why we gotta know the time to peel. Don't be afraid to heal. We gotta fight it like a Navy SEAL. Just take the wheel, let's make a deal. I'm begging you please, I'm no longer begging for peace, because we gotta set the captives free.